Welcome back to the library. I'm Miss Taylor and I'm your children's librarian here at the Giddings Public Library. Let's learn about plants. For the next couple of weeks, we're going to be celebrating the warm spring sunshine by learning about some of the things that come with the warm weather. So this week, it's all about plants. Join us today. We're going to do 3 story times and activities to go along with them. And don't forget to follow the link above to our website, www.gittingspubliclibrary.org, where you'll find links to more activities and printables to go with our stories. Are you ready to read? It's time for story time. A Seed is Sleepy by Diana Hutz Aston. A seed is sleepy. A seed is sleepy. It lies there, tucked inside its flower, on its cone, or beneath the soil, snug and still. A seed is secretive. It does not reveal itself too quickly. Most seeds sleep through a season or two, waiting for the warm temperatures of spring. But some take their time. 10 years might pass before the bright red-orange seeds of the Texas mountain laurel show their purple blooms. A seed is fruitful. 90% of the plants on Earth are flowering plants. Flowering plants produce fruits of all shapes and textures that keep the seeds cozy until they have found the right place to grow. A seed is naked. Yes, naked. Scientists call gymnosperms seeds that aren't clothed in fruits naked seeds. Most naked seeds hide themselves on the scales of the cones until they're ready to make a dash for the ground. Who could guess that a seed as small as a freckle would grow into the world's tallest tree? Only 10% of redwood trees begin as seeds, though. Most redwood trees spring from existing trees. Seeds come in many sizes. The orchid seed is the smallest of all. There might be 1,000,000 seeds in one pond. But the seed of the Coco de Mer palm is the largest. It can weigh up to 60 pounds. A seed is adventurous. It must strike out on its own in search of a less crowded place to put down roots. A parachute of fine silky hairs can take a dandelion seed 100 miles from its parent plant. Drift seeds float on ocean currents from one shore to another. They have enough air inside to help them float, and their thick protective shells keep out the seawater. A seed is inventive. To find a spot to grow, a seed might leap from its pod or cling to a child's shoestring or tumble through a bear's belly. A seed hopes to land where there is plenty of sunlight, soil, and water. A seed is generous. It gives the baby plant or embryo a little seed coat to keep it warm. The embryo's first meal comes from its seed leaves or cotyledons. Seeds with one seed leaf, like corn, are called monocots. Seeds with 2 seed leaves, like beans, are called dicots. Some seeds are ancient. Not all seeds are eager to germinate. Some have lain dormant or slept undisturbed for more than 1,000 years. The oldest known seed to sprout came from an extinct date palm tree after it was unearthed from a long ago king's mountaintop palace in Israel. A scientist planted it, and 4 weeks later, it grew. A seed is thirsty. and hungry. Part of the seed, the root, feels the tug of gravity and digs down deep. Once a seed has shed its coat, it drinks in the rain, the dew, yesterday's icicles, and feasts on minerals in the soil. Another part of the seed, the shoot, is sensitive to light, so it reaches up for the sun. A seed is clever. Plants make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Inside plant leaves are cells containing chemicals that absorb sunlight. Light gives them the energy they need to turn water and carbon dioxide into food. It knows how to seek the sunlight, to push itself up, up, up through the soil, but it must wait a while before that happens. A seed is sleepy, but only until it has found a place in the sun and it has had its breakfast and a drink of water. Then a seed is awake. Thank you for reading about seeds with me. Did you learn anything new? Now it's time to get outside and explore with our nature scavenger hunt. I hope that you have a yard or a sidewalk or a hedge or a flower bed or someplace that is safe for you to be able to get outside in the sunshine and the fresh air with your family. You can find this nature scavenger hunt page in the links on our website. That's www.gettingspubliclibrary.org. But there's a ton more scavenger hunts like this available online. Feel free to do your own searching or make up your own scavenger hunt based on things that you know are in your yard or even in your house. Please post pictures to our Facebook or our Instagram. Tag us at Gettings Public Library. We would love to see you doing these activities together. How many scavenger hunt items did you find? Whatever you were able to find. I hope you had fun getting outside in the fresh air with your family. Are you ready for another story? Stay tuned for parts 2 and 3 of our Learning About Plants series. Coming up next.